Hello friends, today we will learn how to animate the rubber effect in Maya, using proximity wrap. We have this pre-model rubber and these 4 cube controllers. Now select the rubber model and go to the deform proximity wrap. In the attribute editor, go to the edit nodes. Select the first cube and add selected as a driver. When we move the cube, the rubber mesh is moving but there is some fall off issue. So, select the rubber, go to the attribute editor proximity wrap tab and tick the soft normalization, and increase the fall off scale to 10. Now, the rubber elasticity looks real. Connect the remaining controllers to the rubber model. It's done. Now you can animate rubber as per your requirement. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for motivation.